Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Standard Chartered Bank online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and source for Standard Chartered Bank. Click on this first website, where you can click on Login as well. Now, simply click on Login and click on Online Banking Login over here. Now, at the bottom, we can see this option called Sign Up for Online Banking, so let's tap on this. Now, you can choose any of the methods to get registered, so let's go for debit card and PIN. We need to accept the terms and conditions here and simply click on Accept. Enter your debit card number and your PIN. Now, we need to simply click on Next. After this, we get into the next step, that is verification of our mobile number, and after that, the next step is we need to enter our temporary password to create a new online banking account. After that, we need to create personal login details, and afterward, registration will finally be completed. So, after all these 5 steps, we finally get enrolled in Standard Chartered Bank online banking. That is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.